Hey guys, it's Nicole with American Paving Design, and today we are going to talk about one of the most common questions that we get asked. How much does a paver driveway cost? As it relates to a small, medium, and large size driveway. Let's begin with a small size driveway. A smaller paver driveway installation will usually measure 1,000 square feet or less. To remove existing driveway materials and install a new base and pavers, you're going to be looking at approximately $9,000 to $14,000. Although each company is different, your hardscape contractor should include within that price removal of the existing driveway materials, installation of the new base and pavers, and cleanup once the project is completed. If your existing driveway is between 1,000 and 2,000 square feet, we would consider this a medium or average size driveway. The cost of installing concrete pavers on this size of a driveway would be approximately $15,000 to $25,000. The increase in price is because we are dealing with an overall larger square footage, more base and sand to prep, and a larger quantity of pavers to install. On average, most of the driveway installations that we do see range between 1,300 and 2,000 square feet. Now, if you're dealing with a driveway that is larger than we previously discussed, the average cost of your new paver driveway installation could range between $25,000 to $50,000 or even more. In some instances, the cost of a larger driveway can become more competitive because we do have the ability to buy a larger quantity of pavers and reduce the mobilization for our crews. Installing a paver driveway, no matter the size, can become more expensive if you choose to install large format pavers, a paver that is tumbled, textured, or has intricate installation designs. So before you sign with a hardscape company, make sure you receive a detailed proposal on what is to be included in your driveway project. If you guys want to learn more about paver driveways, check out the links below and you'll be directed to more articles and videos about driveway installations, materials, and cost comparisons.